There is a lot of places where I think, we are still trying to understand the nuances of artificial intelligence and um, how it can be adjusted for issues like DE&I, right? Diversity, equity, and inclusion. We're really struggling to understand, how do you take a data set that might already be biased, even if you can sort of build out some algorithms that might pull out some of the biases, there still is a point at which that bias can oftentimes get fed back into the process, just because it's a continuously updating loop. That's what artificial intelligence is all about. It's about learning, right? And so you might pull it out in the beginning, but it still has the ability to sort of learn and see what's happening. And so I think we have to be very, very careful when we're doing that selection component, right? That we are still inputting a human conversation in there. I just had a conversation with a recruiter the other day, and they had this great process they were going through, which was basically every step of the funnel, right? They might have had a system helping them narrow it, but they were watching to see how the diversity was changing as they were going step by step down the funnel, right? And they would immediately trigger that at a certain point, the diversity might change dramatically after maybe a video interviewing. And then they were like, oh, so is it because, the managers now see everybody? And what does that do to my diversity mix? Can I now change how I do video interviewing so I can keep the diverse candidates moving through the conversation, right? And so those are the kind of things that I think are really important from a data perspective for the recruiters to be paying attention to. So they should be sort of testing and validating that artificial intelligence all the way through that.